Hi, so today we are going to discuss and look on how we administer the quarantine folder within the Foresite IT anti-spam for each of the email users. First of all, jump onto the anti-spam website, which can be located at antispam.foresite-it.com.au. Type in your login details. Your login should be your email address. So I'm going to type that in and put my password in. Okay, so once logged in, go to Manage Quarantine. By default, it should go to the quarantine list showing a data range of all the spam messages. So if you do not see or if you do not have a list, then you don't have any spam messages. The important thing here is to sort them by score, which brings all the spam at the top. If you are not sure if the message is a spam or not, you actually have the option to click on it. And once you click on it, it'll give you the contents of the message, where it originated from, and a brief message of what's in there. As you can see here, there are scores or points. Scores or points are allocated for each email based on the probability that they go through. So generally, anything above 10 will have a big chance of being a spam. But by default, our system picks everything up that is above 5 as spam. There are actually three more options to organize your quarantine list. As you can see, there is a release, whitelist, and delete button in the screen. So if you are sure that, for example, this message is a legitimate spam, you can click on it and hit the delete button. If you are sure that all of these are spam messages, then you can click at the topmost and delete all of it at the same time. And you can also click on the message and click or hit release, and it will go straight through your inbox. It will appear in your inbox. For example, if it's not a spam. So that is different from whitelist. The whitelist option, we will go through and tag the sender of that email under your profile. So what I have done is I selected the spam list or the spam messages, all of it, and hit on the whitelist button. So what will happen there is that those emails or the email address of the sender will be added on my whitelist. So the next time that that sender sends me an email, it will get ignored by the anti-spam system, and it will come straight through my inbox. So basically, that's all you need to do. Just filter through, find the legitimate messages, and hit the release button so it will come through your inbox. The rest, just tag them and hit the delete button. Keeping it tidy means that every morning at 8 a.m., when you receive your notification for spam, that list will be minimized. You can actually set trigger under the settings tab. So if you go across settings, you've got change password, wherein you can change your login password. You can also go to the quarantine report settings, which gives you the ability to change how often you want to receive the report. By default, all the clients get the reports on weekdays. So every week at 8 a.m., any email received at that point will come through on that spam report. You can set it to send you only quarantine items for the last report there. And we set our settings to all quarantine items, meaning if there's any item in that quarantine box, it will send it to you. So just hit save and we're done. Thank you for watching.